Hey there! Struggling with a dark or dim screen and wondering how to fix backlight on Westinghouse TV? Don't worry. Today I'm here to guide you through the process of troubleshooting and fixing your TV backlight with a step-by-step approach you can easily follow at home. Whether your screen is completely dark or just not as bright as it used to be, these tips will help you bring your TV back to life. So let's dive into how to fix the backlight on your Westinghouse TV. Step 1. Identify the problem. Before we dive into the repair process, it's important to identify if the backlight is indeed the issue. To do this, turn on your TV and dim the lights in the room. Shine a flashlight on the TV screen at an angle. If you can see a faint image, it's likely a backlight issue. If not, the problem might lie elsewhere, such as with the screen or internal connections. Step 2. Gather your tools. Assuming the backlight is the issue, you'll need some basic tools to get started. Gather a screwdriver set, a multimeter for electrical testing, and a pair of tweezers. Make sure to have a clean, flat workspace to lay your TV face down, and ensure the TV is unplugged from any power sources before beginning your repair. Step 3. Remove the back panel. Carefully lay your Westinghouse TV flat, screen side down, on a soft surface to avoid damage. Use a screwdriver to remove all screws securing the back panel. Once the screws are out, gently pry off the back panel to access the TV's internal components. Remember to keep the screws organized in a container for reassembly. Step 4. Test the backlight. With the back panel removed, locate the LED backlight strips. Use a multimeter to test each strip for continuity. Any of the strips show no continuity. They are likely faulty and need replacing. Testing will confirm if the backlight strips themselves are at fault or if the issue is within the wiring or connectors. Step 5. Replace faulty backlight strips. If you've identified faulty backlight strips, you'll need to replace them. Order replacement strips that are compatible with your specific Westinghouse TV model. Carefully disconnect the faulty strips using tweezers, and then install the new strips by connecting them back in place. Be cautious to avoid damaging other components during this process. Step 6. Reassemble the TV. Once your new backlight strips are installed, it's time to reassemble the TV. Secure the back panel with its screws using your screwdriver. Once your new backlight strips are installed, it's time to reassemble the TV. Secure the back panel with its screws using your screwdriver. Double check that all connections are secure to prevent future issues. After ensuring everything is in place, stand your TV upright. And there you have it. You've learned how to fix the backlight on your Westinghouse TV. By following these steps, from identifying the problem, gathering tools, and replacing faulty strips, you can bring your TV back to full brightness. Remember, while these steps can be done at home, if you're uncomfortable with any procedure or something seems beyond your scope, it's always best to consult with a professional. Enjoy your newly lit screen and the vibrant visuals it brings back to your entertainment.